Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to unhide profile picture on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to unhide your profile picture on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. Now from over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon, and when the drop down menu appears, tap on settings, and over here you can see the privacy option available for us. Just below the account, tap on privacy. Now from over here, tap on the profile photo option, which is the second one just below the last seen and online. Tap on profile photo, and over here guys, in order to hide your profile picture on WhatsApp, either you had tap on the nobody or my contact except. Now if you want to unhide your profile picture to your contacts only, tap on my contacts. And if you want to unhide your profile photo to everyone on WhatsApp who has your contact, tap on everyone and your profile photo will be unhidden. And this way guys, you can unhide your profile picture on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.